If you don't see other people's online and last seen status on WhatsApp, there is a simple solution. First, close the chat and go back to WhatsApp main screen. Then tap on three dots at the top right or this gear icon on iPhone at the bottom right and go to settings. Here you need to select privacy and last seen and online. The matter is that if you don't allow to anyone to see your online status, you can see others' online status as well. So set it to everyone or set to my contacts. In this case, make sure the person is on your contact list to see their online status. Now, who can see when I'm online? Same as last seen or everyone. Just let's set to everyone. Let's go back to this chat. This person doesn't allow us to see her online status. Let's select other chat or other chat. This is business account, so wait for a while. Yes, we can see online status of other people if they allow us to do it. Otherwise, if you still have this problem, you can try to clear WhatsApp cache. To do this, close WhatsApp. Now tap and hold on its icon and tap on I icon then, which stands for information, app info menu, that's what you need. Now scroll down to storage, tap on storage, or on some Android version you will have a clear button over here at the bottom. But if you don't see this button, you need to find the storage menu and clear cache. Then reopen WhatsApp and everything should be fine. So that's it, guys. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.